What's up guys, welcome back. Today I thought we'd do something a little bit different and we're going to be driving my dad's 1984 Alfa Romeo GTV6. So today is the Malala Historics Day, so me and my dad decided we wanted to go out and check it out, see what was going on, look at some cool cars. So we thought we'd bring his old GTV6 out there, go for a little bit of a drive, and last night I thought, you know what, I might as well film it because this car sounds absolutely awesome. It is such a good sounding car. So this is my dad's 1984 Alfa Romeo GTV6. It's got the 3-litre engine out of a 164, but it's been fully built. It's also got different gear ratios out of all sorts of different Alfas. Then suspension wise, it's got upgraded torsion bars in the front, upgraded springs in the rear. I think the roll center was adjusted. And with the brakes, it's also got some BMW front calipers, Mazda RX-8 rotors, and then the rear is pretty much just stock, but it's got track pads all around because this used to be my dad's track car, believe it or not. And this thing's actually really fast. This thing is a really fast car. I've driven it around Malala a few times and it is really impressive how fast this thing is. But in the recent times, because this car is just getting so rare and parts are so hard to find, we've decided to kind of not take it to the track anymore and just enjoy it every so often, taking it for drives, because it is a beautiful car to drive. Alrighty, so you got the GoPro set up down there, and it's time to take this thing for a drive. Alrighty guys, we made it to the Mala All Historics Day. The Alfa made it. We did turn it off at the gate because we had to sign a waiver and it didn't start back up, which was a bit scary, but luckily we kind of push started it and it started. So yeah, the old girl, she needs a bit of love, but she made it. She sounds really good. Hopefully the exhaust clips sound really, really good. But yeah, so we'll go check out some of the cars, some of the racing, have a good time, and then we'll drive back and I'll try and mount the GoPro onto the in the engine bay where the intake is and see how that sounds. So I had a good look around. It was really good to see some of the old touring cars from back in the day. Definitely before my time. These cars are so cool, you know, just how simplistic but also how technical these cars all were. And it's really impressive how they achieved their horsepower. Like, for instance, the Sierra that made 580 horsepower back in the day. And so then we also lined up, they were doing a parade at lunchtime, and we thought we might as well line up and have some fun on track with my mate Deacon. He tagged along, and my dad sat in the back seat. So that was good fun.
Obviously, when we get to 3, back it up.
Yeah. It won't be too naughty though.
Yeah, don't be too naughty.
Because when you get to third, fourth, like that's when because first, second's long, and then
it kicks in.
Yeah. Just the sound of it though, like that, like sounds so good. That's when the short ratio is gone. Yeah. And it's just such a beast. Oh no. Oh, we're good, we're good.
Stick to it.
Yeah, just a little. Alright, we'll cruise around now.
Yeah, that's because you, I think you're changing gears a bit like you used to, that's why. For the spectators. Yeah.
Just got to rob so it didn't go too hard. We are a full car. This car does rob sometimes. The cool thing with this car too, because it's dead around here. Like if you floor it here, it's like it's alright, but it's not crazy.
Yeah.
But all the power is like 4 grand onwards, and it like never falls off because it's just got such big cams. Like if you put this on now, you'll go to 4 and hold it. So it's kind of funny.
It sounds pretty good.
Yeah, it does.
Alrighty guys, we're now leaving the Mala Historics. It was a really good day, lots of cool cars coming out. It was good to actually drive with my mate Deacon on track. It was a lot of fun. The car just sounds so beautiful, so I hope the exhaust clips are sounding good. I've now mounted the GoPro in the intake, so we'll see what it sounds like now. We'll drive back home and call it a day. That's gonna work really well. Alrighty guys, back home, car is in the garage. What a fun day, it was awesome. It was good to take this old girl out for a drive. It's been a while since we've taken it for a drive, so it's good to go back in it. It's such a beautiful car, the sounds are amazing. Hopefully the GoPro picked up the sound well. The camera did fall halfway through the drive in the engine bay, but luckily I put a secondary tether so it didn't flop out and then would lose it. But hopefully it stayed in there long enough so you can hear the sounds of the induction noise, because I reckon it's going to be pretty good, because the induction noise in this car just sounds awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.